Undo the seat post quick release and twist the saddle up to number 5. You can adjust this later if necessary. Tighten the quick release. Stand by the front wheel of the bike. Lift the bike by the saddle and raise the handlebars. Rest the bike back on the ground, then tighten the top hinge. Tighten it as far as you can with one finger, then add a quarter turn with 2. Holding both the handlebars and saddle, lean the bike towards you, then lift very slightly to release the front wheel from the retaining hook. Rest the bike back on the ground. With your right hand on the nearest handlebar grip, twist the handlebars 180 degrees away from you until the lower hinge shuts. Tighten the lower hinge. Lift the bike by the saddle and handlebars to swing the rear wheel under the bike in a single movement. The rear wheel will click into place. Then unfold both pedals by spinning the pedal to the top and placing your fingers underneath the pedal. Push firmly down with your palm until it clicks into place. Adjust the saddle height if necessary. Remember it like a dance. The raising of the handlebars, the releasing of the front wheel, the twist of the handlebars, and the lift and swing of the rear wheel.